How to find phone contacts on Instagram on the new update. If you want to find the phone contacts on Instagram from the new update, what you have to do is first of all open up Instagram, go to your profile page, tap the three lines option. Then from here you have to look for the option that says device permissions, and from here go to contacts and make sure you've allowed the contacts permission. After you've done that, you can simply tap the three lines option again and this time go to account center. So from account center you'll be able to see a couple of different options right here. So what you have to do from here is go to your information and permissions, and here you can see upload contacts. Tap on upload contacts and select your Instagram account from here and turn on connect contacts. Once you've done this step, next time you refresh the Instagram app and then maybe you go to your following list or anywhere as such, Instagram will actually recommend you people that are on your following list. So right here also you'll find all this and you'll see sorted by default or from your contacts. You can tap on this little icon here and you'll see the people that are actually on your contacts as well. And this is the way on how you can find your contacts on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.